Hi, welcome to PhilHome.com. Today we're in Ayala Alabang and we're going to take a look at this mansion behind us. The asking price is 320 million pesos. Let's go check it out. It's time to go tripping. All right, let's go tripping. We'll look at the outside later when we're done, but let's go inside. 320 million negotiable. That's like about $6.4 million. As you can see, you have a huge entryway here. And you see those little blue things on the porch there. I got to put those on my shoes, so we'll have to pause for just a little second just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So it goes all the way down. There's the other gate, automatic gate. So just 1 second while I put my shoes on, I'll just pan around. So you can see that gate is automatic. And just panning around here, you can see the neighbors, lots of trees. So I got my shoe socks on. Let's go inside. Okay, when you first come in, you can see that there's a glass rail above and high, super high ceilings, probably 2 stories high or so or more. And you got the stairs to the right, but we'll come in straight ahead first. And you can see here, there's just this massive living room area. Let me see if I can come in here, and then through here you can see a pool area out there, but we'll check that out later. So if you pan around the room here, we come in here. This is the dining room area. You can see the floors are all Nara planks, and you have a sliding glass door which looks out into the garden area, pool area also. Just pan around like this. And then this sliding glass door goes into the kitchen, but we'll come to that later. I want to show you what's off to the right hand side of the front door. So you can see there's a glass wall here. We'll go through where the sliding door is. And you got this door to the right. And if you look down in here, you have this cool little CR hidden down there with a urinal. Very nice guest bathroom. Big giant mirror. Cool design. And then you walk into the right, there's a lower bedroom. All Nara plank floors. You can see, look at this massive bedroom. Very nice. Look at that flooring. Very expensive. You can see that's the built-in where the TV will go. And you can see nice illuminated layered ceilings. And then inside here is built-in closet. You can see going down one side here, upper level too. And then you have CR and dual sink. So let's go over to here. And we've got this sliding door, you have this massive TV room. So hold on just a second, let me adjust my, okay, there we go, sorry about that. You can see it's got AC, and then this big massive TV room with the Nara floors can look out to the pool area, and then you have this covered patio out there. But we'll look at the outside later. I want to go up, show you the other bedrooms, the master bedroom, and then I'll show you, we'll come down into the kitchen, which the kitchen is over here. But we'll show you that later. Let's go up the stairs with glass railing. Very nice. Little designs here on the wall and stuff. See the nice lighting that's hanging down here? This house is massive. I'm sorry, but I don't know exactly how much living space is in here, but it's a lot. So let's go over here. The master bedroom's to the right there at the stairs, but we're gonna look at the other bedrooms that are up here. First door, this big room here. You can see almost all the houses got narrow wood floors. Wide planks too, those are expensive. You got built-in closet here. Then you have CR with large mirror. You can see me, yo, what's up? And then toilet here. And you can see it better on the closets here. See that? Nice. And this is considered one of the small rooms. Look at the crisscross ceiling design. The ceilings are pretty high. Let's go in here. Another bedroom. You can see this one's pretty big too. And if we come over here, this sliding glass door takes you out to a balcony. Let me see if it's opened. Yeah, it's open. I'll show you. So you can see, look at this balcony. So it looks like all the bedrooms can share this balcony. That one over there is the master bedroom. And then you look down into the pool area here. It looks like the pool is about 4 to 5 feet deep, if I had to guess. So let's go back in here. And we go in this door. There's 2 doors, one on each side of this TV stand. So we have built-in closets here. I'll give you a better view from over here. See that? Lots of closet space. And then we're standing in the bathroom. You see the toilets there. Enclosed glass showers there. And then you have the sink area here with a big giant mirror and lighted ceiling. And then you go through this door here, you can go back in the bedroom. So if you just have to go to the closet, you go in that door. If you have to go to the CR, you go in that door. This way goes down to the kitchen, but we'll go down there first. Let's go check out the master bedroom. See, over here we have a little closet space for towels and things. Probably for supplies for all the bathrooms. So you come in the master bedroom and you walk into this big giant room. I'd have to say this looks like about 60 square meters or so. But see, here's where I showed you down the rail there. You can walk out on the balcony here. See this? So if you wanted to yell at someone in the backyard, it's easier if you wanted to smoke or something. But see, from the master bedroom, then you got this huge room in here, which probably could be used for a TV room for the master bedroom, or you could put more closets and make more space for clothes. If you can afford this house, then the wife probably has a massive shoe collection, so that's a good place to put the shoe collection. Then you have built-in closets here. Walking into the CR, you can see that. Big master bedroom. Got an AC in here. Then you come in and you got the tub right in front of you with nice light from the window, glass shower, another access door to the patio. You got her sink and mirror area and his sink and mirror area. Well, This area is bigger, so that probably gets to go to the wife. You got the urinal and the toilet area there. So this is the master bedroom. What a massive, massive house. Now I'm going to show you some really cool stuff. You ain't going to believe this kitchen and dirty kitchen is amazing. See all this nice glass railing, tempered glass? Okay, we're going to come through this door here. It's got kind of like a landing area here with another balcony through that sliding glass door. Lots of sliding glass doors in this house. So we're going to go down this stairway here. In this stairway, oh, Nara, right? Nice high ceiling here too. Like the front. We're going to come around here. So you got some cabinetry right there. And this is the area of the kitchen. You walk down in the morning. They have an area here for a table. And then you have the sink area, cooking area. There's the exhaust fan for the cooking. You got cabinets over there. But there's more. We come around. We have all this when you do parties, because see that door over here is to the dining room. So when you have parties, see these counters are great for prep areas. You can prep the dishes, prep the plates before you take them out to the dining room. Then the maid or whatever brings them out to the dining room here and serves the guest. So pretty nice setup. And then you even have a more sub counter space here. And then as you walk in through here, we have, you see this light? Oh, sorry, there's no light, but that's the maid's room there. But there's more rooms down here. Look at this dirty kitchen. See that? More space. So we go down the stairs here. You can see that they're redoing this sink area. They had a leak over here from a pipe, and so they're going to redo that. So no worries. This place, if you purchase it, will be all in top shape before they hand it over to you. See, and then you have a maid's shower and bathroom, and then another big maid's room here. See that? Probably hold at least 2 double bunk beds at least, and dressers. So now we're gonna go see what's over here. So you have another wash area here. See where they're hanging their clothes. Then you have a driver's room with a bathroom there. And that's the front over there. But now we're going to check out the outside. So hold on a second while I take my indoor shoe socks off. Just one moment. I have these little blue things I have to put on my shoes so I don't scratch the Nara floors. So let's go check out here the pool area. So you got a little pool here. I'd say, oh, it could be 3 to 4 feet deep, not sure. By looking at the tile there, I would say probably 3 or 4 feet deep. Some of these villages have regulations on the depth of the pool. See, in that little box you see there's a CR. So we can get a, let me come over here. See what's going on over here. Okay, that's the CR. And of course, this little square box here is the pool pump. Now I'll give you a view of the house from the pool area. See, so you could have huge parties out here. A person could even tile all this grass if they wanted to, or enlarge the pool enlarge the patio for more space for when you're having parties and things. So that's pretty cool. Let's go down the side of the house over here, see what's going on. I don't know what the size of the lot is either, but it looks pretty big. I want to say at least 2,000 square meters and up, maybe. It's pretty big. So look at this row of air cons. Lots of AC in this house. And what I have to say too is they use a really high-end material for the window frames. Really high-end. That looks like the stuff from Germany. Then you got the front of the house up here. But this is a big drop-off area. Like celebrity drop-off. See how it goes? Let's go see what's down here. See, you have an automatic gate opener here. I think this light thing on the top of the gate is something to do with either the automatic gate opener. When the gate's opening, the light goes off or something. So you remember that sink area? Here's where it is on the very end of the house. All covered. And I'm gonna go out to the outside of the house and just show you what the neighbors look like and the perimeter from the street. So, big house. Love it. Lots of space. Lots of area to do modifications to personalize it. See, there's a massive house across the street from you. Probably a $10 million house too. And another one right over there. So you can see your perimeter. All these years of these trees growing here. Lots of nice shade. See how they have the palm trees all full grown here. That looks like a mango tree. And across the street, like I said, these houses, see these big trees with lights all in them. Even a security guard there. So there's always somebody watching the front of your house, for sure, if you don't have security. Nice stance on the house. Lots of big windows and light. See, so you can see your neighbors. Lots of trees in this section in Ayala Alabang, so very quiet. Notice we haven't even heard a car come by yet. See how that all the trees in that property there right across from your house? So that's a nice bonus. So I hope you enjoyed this video by PhilHome. And if you would like more information, you can see the details below, which can send you to PhilHome.com, which is the real estate website. It has all the videos of every house we have for sale. Or you can go to Facebook and look for PhilHome in Facebook and send us a private message with your personal Facebook page to contact us. You can look for me if you want. I'll make sure that you get a super sweet deal on these houses. Of course, all prices are negotiable. And we can make a deal for you in your name, no problem. We can help you save money. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. I'm happy you guys could see it. And let's go tripping next time. Have a nice day from PhilHome.com.